What is up, guys? Welcome back to a fresh new video. I just wanted to say that I really love your support. I'm just making a drawing of a fish and I hope you like this video. I may make this video private later on and re-upload after 5 years. I just wanted to see where I will be after 5 years. So as of now, I'm just an average school going boy. And yeah, leave a like and subscribe. Currently I'm having 1150 subscribers. So let's see where I will be after 5 years. Probably I may have 100,000 subscribers or may not have anything. Currently it's Sunday 23rd of April 2023 and I may make this video private after 24 hours and re-upload after 5 years. So if you are watching this video, then I want to say thank you so much. So I hope you like this drawing, and I'm making this video just to measure where I will be after 5 years of hard work. So let's end this video by saying that I won't stop making videos. I'll make more videos in the coming years, and yeah, bye. If you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe, because why not? I will see you after 5 years.